Hi, my name is Greg, and this is my bike setup. So right here we got some red ODI grips, some Haro bars, we got a Haro alloy front stem, front load stem, Haro F1 2009 bike frame, we got Haro MS4 wheels, I don't know what rims these are, we got some Haro pegs, painted those red about a couple months ago, we got the 25 teeth cog, then we got a 16 teeth back cog, we got Haro magnesium cranks and pedals, Haro also, whole bike's Haro. So yeah, every week I'm going to be posting a video of me or one of my friends doing a trick every week, and yeah, or when I get a new bike part, show you guys. So yeah, thanks. Hopefully everything comes through.
I am his only friend.